Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Real Exam Question Series. This is 35th video in this series. It means that we have covered 34 highly repetitive and real exam questions and results are guaranteed if you follow our strategies. So चाहे आपका target score 84 हो या 66 हो, you are going to get your target score if you follow our strategies. And first things first, that now PTE is accepted for UK visas and immigration, and 90% of Canadian universities now accept PTE academic. And if you are applying for family visa in UK, you can do it through PTE Home. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. And now students ask, sir, क्या हम भी कर सकते हैं? The answer is big yes, because especially जिनका target score अब 84 है, they need to learn all the strategies which we have been teaching so that you can also achieve your target score. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. Now for PTE reading, it's an integrated section where you have to manage your time yourself and you are given 32 to 41 minutes, okay? And आपको सारे reading इसी time में attempt करनी होती है and it is not scored out of 90. जो reading का module है that is not scored out of 90, okay? And it has 5 question types, and among those reorder paragraphs are very important. Why? We are going to see, because they carry 6 marks. Yes, and if you follow our strategy you can easily get these 6 marks. अगर आपके 2 reorder paragraphs आते हैं so they will be of 3 marks each, okay? And if you get 3 reorder paragraphs they will be of 2 marks each. And the time you can devote in solving reorder paragraphs is 2 minutes. So in these 2 minutes you have first to skim it and then read it. After that you have to make pairs and then you have to confirm जो आपने pairs बनाए हैं those are correct or not. And this is today's reorder paragraph, and as usual I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go through this. Okay, so now you know that first we are going to skim the reorder paragraph to find an independent line and if possible conclusion line. For independent line we use process of elimination and that is going to be our best friend forever. So let's get started. That's where you will find the pronunciation of this word is going to be you will. आप you will नहीं बोलोगे, especially if it's in speaking. You have to pay attention to these details, okay? Because it's in contracted form and contractions सिर्फ speaking में allow होती हैं. Contractions are not allowed in your writing. चाहे ये written format है, because speaking करनी है तो वो आपको contracted form भी दे सकते हैं. So you are going to speak it like you will. That's where you will find lake so salty that only bugs able to live there are species that could probably survive on Mars as well. Okay, so pronunciation of this planet is going to be Mars. You have to improve your pronunciation. R is going to be silent. Okay, now you may think that it's an independent line, but ये independent line नहीं है because as well use हो रहा है. As well का मतलब कोई मास के बारे में बात ऑलरेडी हो चुकी होगी. ओके, एंड सेकेंड थिंग, ये किसी चीज का रीजन सा नहीं लग रहा आपको? यस, दिस इज लाइक अ रीजन, कि वो रीजन है कि इसीलिए आपको वो चीजें वहां पे मिलेंगी. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द सेकेंड लाइन. वी हैव रिजेक्टेड दिस टू बी एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन. नाउ मूविंग टू सेकेंड लाइन. इफ यू वांट टू विजिट मार्स, विजिट टर्की. ओके, यस, दिस सीम्स लाइक एन इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन. अगर आपने मार्स को विजिट करना है तो यू कैन विजिट टर्की. नाउ लेट्स सी एंड लेट्स कीप दिस एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन. They are hopeful that studying some of them will yield useful insights into the kinds of biology that could help microbes exist on Mars or other potentially habitable planets and moons. अब यहाँ पे क्या ये इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन है? नहीं है। क्यों नहीं है? Because if you have attended our lectures, you know कि pronouns generally cannot form independent lines. So यहाँ पे they are hopeful. कौन hopeful हैं? And them, यहाँ पे भी them आ रहा है. So it's not clear. Them, कौन. So these are your two pronouns जिसके कारण you are going to say कि this is not an independent line. Now let's see the next one. For that reason मतलब आपने reason दिया होगा. Okay. So for that reasons, microbiologists in Turkey have surveyed the array of species that inhabit Salda and Yarsil lakes. Okay, one thing, do not worry about the pronunciation like Esigol, Salda, Yarisili, because these are proper nouns, or proper nouns की pronunciation PTE का software ignores it. So do not worry about their pronunciations in speaking. Okay. So over here now this cannot be an independent reason because reason दिया होगा, and reason क्या है? ये वाला reason हम already देख चुके हैं. So this is not an independent line also. So let's select that line and drag it, and this is our independent line now. अब reason और ये वाला आपका पेयर बन चुका है. ठीक है. So ये आपका पहले आएगा क्योंकि reason है, और for that reason based on our SO strategy पहले आपने reason दिया और उसके बाद for that reason से उसको refer किया. So that is our SO strategy. अब only thing you need to find is they are hopeful. क्या they are hopeful वाली line यहाँ पे आएगी या इस पेयर के बाद आएगी? So what we are going to do is, अब they are hopeful, कौन hopeful हैं? यहाँ पे आप बात कर रहे हो microbiologists की. These are humans, okay? Scientists basically. तो scientists को depending upon our SO strategy, subject object strategy. So microbiologists वाला पहले बात होगी और उसके बाद आप उसको रेफर कर सकते हो. तो ये वाली लाइन लास्ट में आएगी because they are hopeful. So इस बेसिस पे आपने पेयर्स कर लिया, which is quite simple, right? So अब आपको पता है, पहले आप रीजन दोगे और उसके बाद फॉर दैट रीजन यहाँ पे हाईलाइट होगा और उसके बाद आपका लास्ट में आंसर आएगा दे आर होपफुल. जस्ट एज अ क्विक रिवीजन, दिस इज योर इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन, एंड देन ये आपने रीजन दिया और रीजन को यहाँ पे रेफर किया है फॉर दैट रीजन विच इज आर टीओ स्ट्रैटेजी, और आपने यहाँ पे माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, राइट? और स्पीशीज की बात भी हो रही है, माइक्रोब्स की या बग्स की भी बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. ओके, सो यहाँ पे दे मीन्स माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट, और देम यहाँ पे क्या है, किनको स्टडी कर रहे हैं? स्पीशीज को, ओके, या फिर बग्स को. सो दिस इज हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू बी related, and let's see if the order is correct. Yes, the order for them is correct. So all our strategies which we teach at Marvel PTE, like how to find independent line, the BS strategy, brought to specific strategy, CO strategy, connectors, TO rule, AB rule, SO strategy, then having some last sentences rules are going to be very helpful, and they are very important if you want to solve your reorder paragraphs within 2 minutes. Today we had seen the importance of SO strategy. We could find the independent line also based on our strategies. And always remember, you just have 2 minutes to solve your reorder paragraphs. In first 30 to 60 seconds, you are going to skim the content. You have to find an independent line, and then you have to find a conclusion line. And in next 30 to 60 seconds, आपको क्लूज ढूंढने हैं, पॉइंटर्स ढूंढ सकते हो और प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन यूज कर सकते हो टू फाइंड योर पेयर्स. And all the strategies which we teach at Marvel PTE are validated and proven strategies, and the proof is in the ticker below, where you can see so many students of ours have achieved their target scores, and these are some of our recent success stories, and where students have achieved 79, 84, 90. So if they can achieve, you can also achieve your target score. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. So if you have any doubt, question or query, you can WhatsApp us for online coaching or in-institute coaching. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.